Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Ever needed to move your entire collection of photos and videos from one Google account to another? Google Photos makes it straightforward with its built-in partner sharing feature, copying everything over while keeping originals intact until you're ready to remove them. In this video, I'll show you the cleanest way to transfer, no downloads or extra apps required. Let's get your memories relocated smoothly. First, ensure your destination account has enough storage. Sign into your source Google account, the one with the photos, at photos.google.com. Click the gear icon in the top right for settings. Scroll down to the storage section to see how much space your photos use. Now, switch to your destination account and check its available storage at google.com storage. Make sure it has at least as much free space as your source photos take up, since copies will eventually count there. If needed, clear some room or upgrade storage. With that checked, set up partner sharing from the source account. In Settings, scroll down to Sharing. Click the down arrow to expand it. Click Partner Sharing. For the starting date, select Off to share everything. Choose All Photos to share your full library. Click Next. Enter the email of your destination Google account. Click Next. Then Send Invitation. If it looks good, now switch to the destination account, open a new tab, then click on Gmail. Find the invitation from the source account. Click View Invitation. Then Accept. When asked if you want to share back, select Not Now to keep it one way for the transfer. Next, save the shared photos to the destination account's library. In the destination account, the source account's name should now appear directly on the left sidebar. Click on the source account's name. In the top right, click the three-dot menu. Choose Settings. Scroll down to the Partner Sharing section. Under Photos from the source account name, click Change Settings. Select Save All Photos. Click Done. This starts copying everything over. It might take time depending on your collection size, so be patient. Once done, all photos appear in your destination library with metadata preserved, like dates and details. Hey, if this guide is helping you streamline your Google Photos across accounts, hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more practical tips. Your support keeps the tech passion alive. Once everything's copied and verified in the destination, browse your library to confirm, head back to the source account if you want to free up space there. Remember, deletions from the source won't affect the copies already saved in the destination account. Before wrapping up, 3 quick tips for a seamless transfer. First, back up important photos locally before deleting, just in case. Use Google Takeout at takeout.google.com for an export. Second, if dealing with huge libraries, do this over a stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Third, after transfer, update any devices or apps linked to the old account to point to the new one for syncing. If you encounter issues like storage warnings or slow copies, check Google's Help Center. I'll link it in the description. That's it! You've successfully moved your Google Photos to another account using partner sharing. Stay passionate about tech and see you next time.